Hello. Today we are going to look at engine number 9 for recorder. The first thing we're going to do is speak the words, and then we'll do some singing. All right, so it goes like this. Here we go. Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? And you see there's a repeat. On the repeat, why don't we sing it? Here we go. Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train goes off the track, will I get my money back? This time, would you sing it on the letters? You see the G's and the E's written in there? There's a couple of A's too. They're kind of tricky. Here we go. G, G, E, E, G, G, E. G, G, E, A, G, G, E. G, G, E, E, G, G, E. G, G, E, A, G, G, E. Okay, now we'll try and put it on the recorder. Let me flip the camera around. Okay, let's review. The G looks like this. The E looks like this. And then the A looks like this. So the first thing, let's practice going from E to A. Okay, now let's practice going E to G. Okay, now let's slow it down. Let's go about like this. G, G, E, E, ready, ready, here we go. Okay, there's a repeat. Why don't we take the repeat with the piano? Turning you back around to the keyboard. All right, kiddos. Ready, ready, here we go. There's a repeat. Oh, that was the repeat, wasn't it? All right. Nice job. If you want to play it again, start the video over. All right. See you in class. Bye, everyone.